Hello DevOps buddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to encrypt our state files in Terraform or OpenTofu. Uh, in latest version, I mean to say it's not yet release. In the upcoming release of the OpenTofu, like 1.7.0. So we have two interesting features. One is state file encryption and declarative remote blocks. But in this video, we are primarily focusing on state file encryption. So for that, we need to install this pre-release version of OpenTofu. So I already installed in my local. And what we need to do is like first thing, OpenTofu in their official documentation, they provided like state file encryption using uh, two different approaches like KMS and PK PBKDF2 format. So, but in this video, we are going to use AWS KMS, Key Management Service. For that, first we need to have one key created in our KMS. Either you can go and create this in manually in AWS key management service, directly create key and type use of asymmetric encryption, all these things options, or else I already updated even key creation Terraform file in DevOps Buddy's hash node block. So you can utilize that Terraform file and create this key service. And once we are done with creating the key, then we'll focus on our demo. So let's start creating first KMS key file. So this is the Terraform file I'm going to execute. So what it will do, it will create one key and output the value of the generated key ID. So let's copy this thing and right now I'm in this folder and I don't have any files. So I'm just going to switch to my KMS thing and space main.tf insert paste. So this is going to create the key ID. So I'm just initializing the provider. And if you want to check the version, you can check I'm using the same version which mentioned in their official documentation 1.7.0 alpha version. So just applying with auto approve option. So it's going to create the key for us in AWS portal. As of now, we have these three. Now it started creating the last one. It's of enabled. So let's check even in the console output as well. This is the key ID CEDB27 something. Yeah, this is the ID. So we need this ID actually. So now we have key handy. So let's start working on our demo. So I'm just switching into my demo folder. I'm just going to create a configuration file for some use case like EC2 or VPC creation. Every steps, files, all this there in the DevOps, but is hashnode.dev blog. So you can use these files for your POC. So what this will do, it will create a VPC subnet, all these things. And only additional things here is we need to focus is this section. This is the new section going to introduce in 1.7. So what we have options is like encryption. So we need to give our encryption key ID and region and key space and all these things. So as of now, I already created this thing. I'm just copy paste this thing. So same regular Terraform file, we in 1.7 we have this block, encryption block. So what advantage of this block is like, it will encrypt your state file. Either it is a local state file, and if you have the backend, and even that also it will encrypt, so that sensitive data won't get exposed. So that's the beauty of this encryption thing. So I have my file, and I already updated my ID. What I'll do, I'll initialize the provider, and then plan. Even if you want, you can encrypt your plan as well. They already provided encryption for your plan as well. But as of now, I'm using in this demo only for the state file. So once after apply, it generate the state files, right? So we will see the state file response here. So plus minus LTRA. I have a state file generated, terraform.txt. Now you see it, unlike a regular state file, you see it got encrypted, no data is exposed. So what if you want to unencrypt and see the data? And even now this encrypted file, you can share and you can use it and no issues, right? No data is I mean to say exposed. So if you want to unencrypt this, or else you want to see the state file content, simply you can you can change the method. So here in state file, we are setting method here, right? Just move this method into the fallback. That's it. We have without encryption command also here. Just we need to move the command from from here to fallback. So what I'm just doing, I'm just copying and pasting here in fallback section. That's it. And if you want, we can comment out here. So I'm just commenting out and I'm moving that particular method into the fallback. So we check the format, fine. And then tofu. So it is refreshing the state file, and tofu plan won't, I mean to say, decrypt it. If you want, you can check like same cat space terraform.tf state. It's all, yeah. Tofu apply only decrypt your file. If you type auto approve after to apply, so automatically it refresh the state and it is saying no changes and nothing added, nothing changed, nothing destroyed. Now just type cat to your state file now, and we can see the response output. Now you see your state file got decrypted. So that's how you can encrypt and decrypt your state file using encryption block, which is going to introduce in next version of Tofu, OpenTofu 1.7.X version. So that's all for this video, and please do subscribe, like, and share our videos and support us. Thanks for watching.